Hi friends, now we are going to see the transactional flow of intercompany sales. If you see order type this one, so this sales area, this is ordering sales area GSD1 in my example, wholesales and customer is and division is coffee division. So let's click this. Let's click on continue. Let me choose my customer who generally regularly orders for me. Okay, so enter company sale demo. Okay, so let's choose the date 11th. So let's pick the material. This material must be extended for both the sales organizations. So if you see here, what is the plant it is got determined? GSCP. This is my receiving plant, ordering plant. This customer is expecting stock from this plant. This plant is linked with which company code? GS01. Okay, GS is a company code to be billed actually. So let's check the both the plans. Like let's go for Mardi table. So I have a couple of plans, GSEP and that is ordering plant GSUP. Okay, let's put these plans. So now let's try to copy the material. My material is this one. So let's see the current status of this one. So like if you see GSCP, so you have some unrestricted stock or written stock or different kind of things will be there. Let's go to the my supplying plant GSUP and storage location is sale. Let's execute this. We don't care why, because this plant is near to my customer location. That's why we're asking them to do this. Okay, what is the stock it is showing? It is showing nothing for this material. So let's try to do Migo for this material. So let's try to check some quantity. So let's try to put it 10,000 stock. So that is 10,000 grams. From where we'll try to do the stock posting for GSUP and storage location is sale. Okay, let's check the material. So this is our material. So let's check. Document is okay. Let's try to post this stock. Okay, so material document got generated. Let's click on view details. So the material document has been stored in database. Okay, let's try to check MMBA again. Let's try to execute this. So now we got this much unrestricted stock in this plant GSUP. So GS01 and GS02 is the company codes actually negotiating. This plant is delivering on behalf of GS01. Let's go back to our sales order. So now go back. So in real time, like if this plant itself, it is not allowing for you know goods supply, then material master we can able to mandate GSUP only, so that it will be automatically determined. That is one scenario. Okay, if any centralized distributor or something is there. I have saved the sales order. Now let's try to go back and check one more time. So my supplying plant here is GSUP. Okay, and shipping point is GSU01. Like if it is GSEP means my ordering plant regularly we're raising request from customer side, but it will be delivered. This GSUP is belongs to your cross company. Okay, so let's try to get into this. Let's check some header details. Okay, billing document tab. If you come here, actually, see, this is the company code, ordering company code, but the plant is from your supplying side. Let's try to do the delivery. So GS02. So the storage location is sale. Let's try to pick the quantity one pack. Let's try to do the post goods issue. Okay, now we have done post goods issue. Now let's go to MMBE, stock overview report. Many transactions got removed. Luckily, this is there. Let's execute this. Previously, it is 10,000, so 500 grams reduced. Okay, so this is unrestricted stock. Now let's try to do the bill. So let's press enter. Let me show you few details. This is regular customer bill. F2 I copied as a ZF2. Let's go to the partners. See, this is the partner for, this is the customer actually raised the what you call a sales order. So this is, you see, PR00, the price value we maintained 500 euros for customer, direct customer price. There is no negotiation. Let's save this. So your billing document saved properly. Let's go to VF02. So let's check the revenue accounts. So PR00, if you try to see, the sales organization is GSD1, ordering sales area. For customer we build. Why? Because our supplying plant delivered the goods. Now let's go back and try to see accounting document. Okay, customer account will be debited and your revenue account will be credited. So this is how it happens for your regular customer bill for the supplying goods from supplying plant. Now let's try to do the bill for. So let's try to check first the doc flow. If you click on display doc flow, now it is got created only customer invoice, intercompany invoice not created. So let's copy this delivery. Let's try to create your intercompany sale. Okay, let's press enter. So now if you see, previously net value is 500, now it is 353. Why it became? Why? Because you have your PR00 will be inactivated. So based on routine number 22, your PA01 intercompany price 450, whereas 550 euros difference is there, and you have 353 British pounds actually. So like this is the difference because you have certain cash discount. So I think conversion they maintained both are equal. That's why it came like this. Okay. So 353 is the GBP. So don't worry about this. Just a warning, like, some nodes will be implemented at FI side for conversion. So let's try to save this. Before saving, let me show you. It is not JTF2. This is IV, intercompany billing, based on the settings what we have done. Now let's try to check the bill got generated intercompany, and let's go to the accounting document. You see this GS02 company code raises the bill for GS01. So if you see, account is this one. Okay. So your ordering company customer account will be debited, supplying company code revenue account will be credited. This is how you have to check. So let's try to go back and try to see the document flow. See, this is how it is got created. Now if I go to the sales order, I can able to see each and every document very clearly. So your setting, you make sure that your setting should be done carefully. This is how without EDA also you can able to perform in standard way in S4 HANA. So we made it well. So for this, we just have to take two BPs, one BP in supplying sales area, one BP in your what I would say ordering sales area. Ordering sales area is general customer. For supplying sales area, to identify your ordering sales area plan determination, you have to purchase order level, shipping data level, some configuration need to be maintained. This I already got explained in your technical details. This is how you have to do the intercompany sales. Okay. So now if you see, I have taken the same procedure. So let's go to the header. And for this example, I have taken the same procedure for this. And if you see display document flow for your invoice, also I have taken the same pricing procedure. Okay. The details. Let's go down. So let's little up. So I have taken the same procedure for your customer invoice and go for intercompany billing. So again, display document, go to the header. So let's try to check the procedure. So I have used a common procedure. If you would like to use the different pricing procedure, that also you can able to do it. That's not a big deal. So like for intercompany, I think let me go and check. This is a standard procedure we have taken. Let me check any separate procedure they have given. Standard, it starts with IE. So this have to be specified specific procedure. Let's go and try to check what is this intercompany procedure. Here you have IV01 is for your fixed value. IV02 is intercompany uh, percentage. So like if you'd like to see, you can able to determine it. Let's go to OVKK is the transaction. There you can able to maintain what is your pricing procedure. So like GS UK is my supplying this one. If I would like to change it, I can able to change it always with intercompany billing. So for this document pricing procedure, I need to change it. So let's try to delete this. Let's check this scenario also. So escape. No. OVKK GS UK you go. So this is GS UK. This is the procedure. Let me take this. So let's put it I star. So we'll get your intercompany billing. So I will be document pricing procedure. For billing level, we are maintaining separate pricing procedure. So this, I think we don't require. Let's delete this. So for my ordering GSEP, sorry, GSD1. Okay, GSD1, this one, no issues. And the GS UK intercompany pricing procedure. Now let's try to check this scenario now with separate pricing procedure determination. So for this, what should we do? Let's go to VOFA. So let's go or billing type IV. Let's click on for IV document pricing procedure. So it should be I. Okay, that's great. Now go to V/06 IV01. Let's check IV02 percentage. So referent condition type is PA02. If you maintain for PA02 VK11, so fixed value PA02, you go there. So what is this? Your GSD1 ordering plant always for maintaining this master data. Don't forget your supplying plant. That's great. Let's put it some 10% commission based. Okay. Let's save this. Now let's try to create a sales order now. So our ordering customer BP is this one. So now let's try to check this flow under company sales demo. Different pricing procedure. Let's put it 1. Let's take the okay. Now let's go to this procurement. We are changing ordering plant with your supplying plant again. Okay. So now let's double click on this. Go to the conditions. If you see, if you have your PR00 as per standard, so pricing conditions, I haven't changed my own customization. That's why you can able to see the standard for better understanding. That's not a big deal if you would like to show it. Let's go to the header And you see this is the procedure for this. Okay, now let's go and let's go to the sales document, try to deliver this directly. Okay, so now if you see the sale, your supplying plant storage location and one pack. So let's go to MMBE. What is the current stock for it? We'll check it out. So 99500. One pack should be reduced from the current scenario. So let's close other windows. So now if you see this, let's try to do the post goods issue. Stock must be reduced from your supplying plant. So let's try to refresh the stock overview screen. So it is got reduced. 500 grams means one pack. One pack equal to 500 grams. It is got reduced. So now let's try to do the bill. Okay. Now see how the system behaves. If any issues are there, we'll try to correct it. So customer bill for ZF2, like your F2. So I'm saving this. Okay. Now let's go to VF03. Let's check the document flow. So your invoice got created. Let's copy this delivery document. So now let's try to check what is the pricing procedure determined. It should be or V star standard procedure. So let's go to the conditions. This is for your customer billing. So it is PR00, 500 euros. Now let's try to create intercompany bill. So let's copy this. Let's press enter. Good to go. Intercompany bill. It is creating now. It is 353 euros. Let's go to the conditions. So let's try to check. See, now if you see your IV02, it came because two conditions it won't be allowed because we already maintained PA01. That's why it's got inactivated, no issues. So like, percentage means it will be copied like this. So MWST missing. So let's don't try to do MWST now. Let me skip for the time being this tax part. So let's go to the V/duration. So end users don't require all these things. Customer care guys who would like to learn this process, they just raise a ticket to IT with the consultants. Try to put some hard work to give the productivity and remove the business blocks. Let's put it. Oh, so let's put it. That's it. Let's go over here. Let's try to remove. So your MW 15, I'll just take it out. MWST also, I don't want it because it is stopping my flow. Let's save this, the procedure. Now let's try to create the bill again. Okay. So let's click, and we have seen the condition and this already shown. PR0 should be inactivated. So you don't require two prices actually. So that's okay. So this is demo only, right? So if you go here at the details, let's try to check the intercompany separate pricing procedure. So in real time, this is how it happens. And most of the times you can try to do with idocs, like creating vendor, and you try to make it. This is intercompany sales. At a standard level also, you can able to configure this one. Okay. Now let's try to save this one. So now let's go to PF02. Let's try to check the revenue accounts first. So your IV01, so successfully posted for this GL account. For intercompany values, you can able to create a separate GL account. It's not a big deal. So whatever the FI will give, that only you're supposed to assign your account determination procedure. So now say this one accounting document, if it is created, so see this for this GS01, this account. Okay, for ordering side, for supplying company code, ordering company code will be the, so this is customer, and your supplying company code revenue will be credited, and this customer will be debited. So let's go back and try to check the document flow. Better go sales order, you can see everything. So you can able to see display document flow. Okay, this is how invoice created for customer, and intercompany revenue will be created this much. Okay, this is how you have to do it. Let's go to the status overview. This, like, you can able to see all the steps. Total process got completed, and your delivery status is like this, and goods issue status is like this. So nothing got rejected. So in the similar way, you can able to see your billing status also. So invoice and intercompany bill both got created. This is how you have to perform intercompany sales in S4 HANA. Thanks for joining the session. Have a great day.